Welcome back, nail crew. We are diving right on in. I'm doing a set of nails from Muffin. This is her birthday nails, and you guys know she's kind of low-key. So while most people might have like a really bright, fun, blinged out birthday set, Muffin's not. No. I asked if I could do some bling and she was like, no. You guys know she's very specific and very particular. So there won't be a lot of bling and fun stuff in this birthday set, but it is still a birthday set because I'm giving her exactly what she wanted. So I prepped her nails off camera. You guys already know I have a full detailed prep video. You guys are welcome to watch that. I'll leave the link in the description box. So what you guys just saw me do was add primer. The primer that I use is the primer that I sell on my website. It's really, really good, y'all. I love it. So I added primer to her nail plate. While that was drying, I added primer to the inside of the false nail. If for some reason you guys did not want to etch the inside of the false nail with primer, you can use a diamond drill bit or you could use a sanding band, just something very mild. Either one will work. I'm using primer because I already had the primer out for her nails and it just goes by really fast and it works well, okay? So you guys watch me prime her nails and then I prime the false nail. Now I'm basing her nails with base coat gel polish. Any base coat will work for this, but I do prefer a rubber-based gel because it sticks better, it lasts longer, and it's nice and thick, so I really do love that. I'm going to let her nails cure in the lamp for a full 60 seconds, and I'm just showing you guys the plasma gel, which is a builder gel from the bottle. I'm showing you guys the back here in case you want to screenshot it, but this is what I'm going to use to adhere the nail tips. I love this stuff. The consistency is amazing, and it's so clear. You guys will see. You guys will see. If you're new here, oh my gosh, you guys are going to be just so wowed. I really, really love this gel, but I do use it all the time. So for my oldies that been here since day one, y'all already know what's up. Y'all see me use the bottle all the time and I really do love it. And I do have a coupon code. So I'll leave the link to the bottle in the description box and I'll leave a coupon code in case you guys want to try it. This little cute flashlight lamp from a cart, y'all. Guess what? Yes, I have a coupon code for that as well. So I will leave the links to everything I use in the description box. You guys, check out my description box before you go shopping because I'm always updating my coupon codes and I'm trying to save you guys some coins. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, so let me walk you through the nails. You know what? I'm going to let this one pass by because it's already started. And the next one, I'm going to walk you through step by step because I know there's a beginning here and you're like, what the hell is she doing? I can never get my nails to stay on. There's too many air bubbles. Bop, 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 boop, boop, boop. I know, all the beginner mistakes. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to take a dollop of gel and I'm just going to place it in the nail. I didn't take enough, so I'm just going to add just a little bit more. You see how I just have it at the back? You see how I just have it at the back? I'm not going to brush it around because look what happens. Look what happens. I'm going to place it on the nail. Let me give you guys a close-up. You see that? I place it at like a 45-degree angle from the cuticle area, pressing it forward to the free edge of the nail. That's going to eliminate all the air bubbles, right? It's going to give it a flawless application. And then you hold it in place. Right? You hold it in place, grab your flashlight lamp and cure it for about 10 to 15 seconds just to hold it in place while you move on to the next nail. So let's go ahead and do that again. And I'll give you guys a close up so you can see exactly what I'm doing. But I fill the back part of the nail with gel and I just use a little bit of gel. You're going to place it on the nail at about 45 degrees and you're going to let it slowly move the gel from the cuticle area to the free edge, hold it in place, and zap it for a good 10 to 15 seconds. That's all you do, and the nails come out beautiful, and they last for a very, very, very long time. So let's move on to the thumb. Oh my gosh, this is so easy. This is like, I feel like everybody should be doing this at least once. At least once. I feel like everyone needs to try to do this. It's awesome. The nail tips that I'm using, guys, is the Apres today. It's the actual Apres system that I got from Princess Nails by Diana. Remember I told you guys that story how she came to visit me and brought me these expensive nail tips that I love. And I'm like, I cannot afford these on my own, but thank you for this amazing gift. And then someone in my comment section told me where I could get some really good dupes from AliExpress. So I went on AliExpress and I ordered 3 packs of the dupes, you guys. As soon as they come, I'm going to compare the dupes to the Apres system. And I will let you guys know, is the dupe worth it? Okay. So fingers crossed, because they were so affordable that I'm thinking if they are just as good, I'm probably just going to go back and order like all of them. So I'm just going to get all of them. So my fingers are crossed. Because if I could find a really good affordable dupe, oh my God, like the nail gods. Just work with me, you guys. Just work with me, nail gods. Work with me. Give me a good affordable dupe, please. Because these nail tips are way too expensive. They're really good though. They're really, really good. And they are worth it. I have to throw that out there. They're really good and they're worth it. Like, yeah, they're expensive, but you know, if you guys got the money, go ahead and spend it. But I'm a little thrifty. And I'm always looking for a good sale or dupe. So anyway, guys, after I flash cured all the nails with my little flashlight lamp, I put them in the big lamp and I cured them all for a full 60 seconds. Because remember, flash curing the nails with the mini lamp does not give it a full hold. It just holds it in place long enough so that you can move on to the next nail. Okay, so that's all that is. That's all that a flash cure is. So we have to do a full cure before we move on. So I fully cured them for 60 seconds. And then you guys saw me clip them down. She wanted her nails fairly long, which, you know, she's turning 16. This is her 16th birthday set. So I was like, okay, you want them long? All right. Ooh, all right. I gave in and I did them long. So I clipped them just to get away the point because she didn't want stiletto. So basically I just clipped the point off so that it turned into coffin. And oh my God, perfect. Then I used the hand file and I just went around the cuticle area of her nails just in case there was a little bit of gel that spilled out. Because you guys, we don't want to leave product on the skin. If we leave gel on the skin, A, it can cause an irritation for the client, but B, it can also cause lifting. So I took the hand file and I just went around the cuticle area just to make sure that there was no gel left there, and if it was, I just used the hand file to file it away. So after that, I grabbed my e-file and I have it on a very, very low speed. It's on speed 3 right now, guys, and I'm just using that to buff away the shine so that I could apply gel polish. You guys, you could have used the hand file for this. I don't even know why I'm using my e-file other than speed. That's it, other than speed. But you do not have to pull out an e-file for this. You could definitely use a hand file. All you're doing is removing the shine from the nail, okay? Because if you apply gel polish right on the shiny surface, give it about 3-4 days, and a lot of times the polish will peel right off, and that is so annoying. So basically, you guys, if you're polishing your nails with the gel polish and it's peeling off within a few days, it could be one of 2 reasons. The first reason is that the surface was too shiny. You did not buff away the shine, so the gel could not stick and it peels off, okay? That's the first reason. The second reason could be that your lamp did not cure it all the way. You did not do a full cure. Either way, those 2 reasons will cause peeling of your gel polish. It's very unsightly, it's annoying, and it's a waste of time because then you have to file it all off and then you got to start all over. Nobody has time for that. So just do it right the first time and you'll be okay. So as usual, guys, I filed away all that extra shining, and then I took my manicure brush and my alcohol solution and just brushing away all that extra dust that I created. And now for the fun part. Adding the art, y'all. Actually, okay, I take that back because laying acrylic, for me, laying acrylic is also the fun part. But in this video today, there is no acrylic to be laid. So my fun and joy is coming from polishing, like making the nail look pretty. Listen, you guys are watching this nail video because you guys are into art, you're creative, you're into like the whole aesthetic thing, like this is your vibe. So if this is the fun part for me, I know that it's the fun part for you too. So we got some very fun, bright colors today, you guys. MUFF picked these out herself. So these colors are from Naio Nails. polish. Do I have a coupon code for not polish? You better believe it. I sure do. And it will be in the description box with all my other coupon codes. I told you guys, I'm trying to save you guys some coins. Coins. Okay, I'm trying to save you some coins. All 2020. You're welcome. So I'm applying thin layers of this orange polish and the yellow. And even though these are thin layers, you guys, you could get away with one coat with this. You definitely can. It's a little sheer if you look closely. So I'll be doing 2 coats, right? But if this was your jam, if this is how you like it, honey, do your 1 coat and be done. Do your 1 coat and be done. Look how that just glides on the nail. You guys, yeah, these are so pretty. And I don't know if you guys caught her pedicure, but I did her pedicure, you guys. This is what the thumbnail looks like. And I'll leave the link to this video in the description box as well. But I did her pedicure with this bomb orange, you guys. And I fell in love with that orange. And now, side by side with that yellow, it just looks so summertime. It is so pretty. It is so pretty. Let me go ahead and pop the polish on her thumb, and then I'll put it in the lamp for a full 60 seconds and let it cure. But you guys, I just want to take this time to say thank you. Thank you for everyone who has donated to her birthday fund. It's her Sweet 16. You guys know Sweet 16 is a special time, and we wanted to have a huge Sweet 16 party. I mean, who doesn't want to celebrate their 16th year of life with a bang, right? But we couldn't do that because of Corona. We couldn't do anything because of Corona. In fact, her friends could not even come over the house because their parents are so strict that they wouldn't even let their kids come over and hang out with MUFF for her 16th birthday. So that was very frustrating. So I ended up putting up a Sweet 16 kind of flyer with her Cash App. This is what it looks like right here. So I ended up putting this up on my YouTube, and I ended up putting it up on Instagram and Facebook as well. And you guys, I kind of did it for like shits and giggles. I really did not think, honestly, I really did not think any of you guys will send her money other than family, of course, you know, but you guys really showed out. You guys sent her some money. Like, thank you. I just want to take this time to say thank you. Muffin kept coming to me and she was like, Ma, who is such and such? Who is such and such? And I was like, oh, that's a nail crew sister. Oh, that's a nail crew sister. Oh, that's a nail crew sister. My nail crew sisters was showing out, y'all. I thank you guys so much. Muff thanks you guys so much. Every time she came to me and was like, who's this, who's that? Yo, I just was like smiling like it was my birthday. I was smiling like y'all was sending me the money. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate it because even though we couldn't do what she wanted to do for her birthday, we still had an amazing time. I just want you guys to know she took the money that you guys sent her. She's saving half of it, and the other half I told her she could spend on just whatever she wanted for her birthday. She bought a couple outfits and things like that. But thank you guys. Thank you. And hey, if you guys are feeling generous, you guys can continue to send to her. Hey, I got to shoot my shot. If you send it, you send it. If you don't, you don't. But I shot my shots. I shot my shot. That's all I can say. All right, so went ahead and polished her nails. As you can tell, the polish is gorgeous and flawless, you guys. I always like go off on these tangents, and I gotta reel myself back and actually talk about what's going on the screen. So I polished her nails. I did 1 layer, right? 1 coat. I put that in the lamp, let it fully cure, you guys. Let it fully cure. And I want to point this out too. Colors like white, black, yellow, and red, okay? Those colors are very, very hard to cure. The black and the red, they're very hard to cure because they're very dark, so the light cannot penetrate through. The yellow and the white, especially white, I'm just throwing this out here. Somebody got to hear this. White gel polish has a material in it that's very similar, if not the exact same thing as sunscreen. So it's not going to receive the UV light and cure well. And that's why your white polish, if you do not cure it well, wrinkles up, never cures right, or peels off. There's sunscreen in it, and it's not allowing it to cure right. So I'm saying that to say the yellow might be very similar to the white. So if you guys are having problems curing white, yellow, red, or black, I just want you guys to not give up. Don't get frustrated. Don't think anything's wrong with you. Just cure it for a little longer, okay? And you also want to apply very thin layers, okay? I didn't have any problems curing today because I knew that and I used thin layers. But in the past, I have had white gel, yellow gel, especially black gel, wrinkle up and peel off within like an hour of finishing a set. And I just know how cringy that makes us all, right? So I'm just throwing that out there in case one of you guys have had that issue recently. That is why. Okay, just cure it for a little bit longer. All right, so I let the nails all fully cure for 60 seconds. I think they are so freaking cute already. But we're going in with some LV stickers. I don't even remember where I got these stickers from. I may have got them from Amazon like everything else. You guys, check my Amazon storefront. The link will be in the description box. Go to the section that says art. When you're in the art section, scroll around in the art section, you guys. If I got these stickers there, that's where you'll find them. If not, I'll try to find the link directly and put them in the description box for you. I really like them, but the downside is that they don't have a lot of the same colors. For example, I wanted to do all orange stickers on the yellow nail. Like, how stinking cute would that be, right? But as you can tell, they don't have a lot of the orange. Like, it's like they put like maybe one or two of the same color. So that was kind of annoying to me, but the nail still came out really, really cute in the end, and I made it work. But that's the only downside to this pack of stickers. They don't have a lot of the color. Like, that was just annoying to me. But either way, like I said, they're so cute. They're so cute. And they're very, very easy to use. They're sticky on the back, so you do not have to use any glue. And you do not have to use any transfer foil gel. They stick very well. I know some decals and stickers don't stick well. It's super frustrating. They don't do what you want them to do, and you just feel like, forget it. You end up saying something lame like, I ain't even want to do stickers anyway. That happened to me plenty of times. I'll go in with the whole nail art idea and I'm trying to use stickers, but the stickers don't want to act right. Or they start to fold up and curl when I'm pulling it on the nail, right? You guys, I know I'm not the only one that's been here. The stickers start to curl up and you can't put it on the nail right. And then you're like, forget it. I didn't want to use stickers anyway. So lame, but y'all, I've been there. Okay, so I put the stickers on, right? I went ahead and made sure that they were flat and they were laying down the way I wanted to. Now I'm sealing them in with Princess Nails by Diana top coat. You guys already know about this top coat. You guys already know I love this top coat. I do, y'all. I have plenty top coats. I go back to other top coats quite often, but then I always come back to this one. If you guys notice, I'll take a break from it just to give other top coats a try, but then I always come back. I literally always come back, y'all. This top coat is so nice. You guys need to try it. Of course, link to the top coat will be in the description box. After I apply the top coat to all the nails, I fully cure them in the lamp for 60 seconds. And now, you guys, I'm applying the cuticle oil just to nourish those cuticles. We all need to nourish our cuticles. I do sell this cuticle oil on my website. Check my website out. Link will be in the description box. And before we go any further, let's give a hey girl hey to Like Shop Diva Sandie. Hey Sandie. Hey girl hey. You guys, the link to Sandie's page will be in my description box. Click that link, head over to Sandie, drop a hey girl hey, and tell her Nikki sent ya. Hope you watched this video, Sandie, and I hope you love it. Okay, so here is MUFF's finished nails. I think they came out so bomb. Now, normally a birthday set of nails has all kind of glitter and all kind of bling, but listen, I think these birthday nails are just as bomb. I freaking love them. MUFF, you did an amazing job picking out the colors and the decals today. The nails came out so stinking cute. Sandie, what up, girl? Hey, girl, hey. I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share my video so that I can continue to grow. Visit my website, you guys. Don't forget to check out my description box. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.